name is Estrella, and today I'm gonna show you a new I searched in the internet in El País, newspaper El País, in a section of science, and this new talks about life on Mars. The author is Javier San Carmen, and I think you will like this new a lot. Well, I'm gonna start asking you a question, a really interesting question, that is, do you think is any other extraterrestrial life in other planets, or do you think Earth is the only planet which mainly contains life? Well, I don't think so, because as you know, the universe is really big with lots of planets, satellites, or galaxies, and it's really difficult for us to be the only planet. So let's talk about another planet I think you know have heard about Mars, our neighbor planet, also known as the red planet. Mars has lots of characteristics like the Earth, so scientists have a new hypothesis thinking about if there could be any extraterrestrial life in that planet. Well, here are some characteristics, like recently in Mars they had found a lake, an underground lake, at the south of Mars. It's one of the most interesting discoveries about Mars, but other is that Mars has an atmosphere, but it's too thin for us living there. So Mars must be a planet who had microorganisms or bacteria living there. There also the average temperature of the surface is minus 62 degrees, so it's really cold in compare with the Earth. It's not enough CO2 for breathing, and as you know, like science is improving a lot. There are new machines which are helping specialists to discover like new fossils of bacteria or new organisms which will help in the future to know more about Mars. But for me, I think that this topic is really important because you know that we are surrounded about very interesting things like planets or, well, unknown things that we should try to learn about. So I think all of us must be really interesting about this topic. And as you know, in the first term, we talk about the universe, we start talking about the universe, and I think you will like a lot the video I will show you in a moment, that will help you to understand better the new ideas about Mars. When the video ends, I will ask any question you have, but you have to know I'm not a specialist, so I will answer things like more easy. So now I'm gonna show you the video. I hope you like it.
Is or was there ever life on Mars? It's a question that's excited scientists since the dawn of the space age. And right now there are orbiters, landers, roving vehicles all over the surface of